Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can buy crypto on Moomoo. In order to do so, here we are at moomoo.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, to buy cryptocurrency on Moomoo, follow these general steps. Keep in mind, Moomoo is primarily known as a stock trading app, but it also supports crypto trading in certain regions. Here's a typical process. First, you want to download the Moomoo app, sign up and complete the identity verification process. Link your bank account or deposit funds into your Moomoo account. Make sure the deposit method supports your region and currency. In the app, navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Moomoo typically offers a list of supported cryptocurrencies for trading. Browse or search for the crypto you want to buy, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Select the crypto, choose the amount or dollar value you want to spend, choose the order type, and confirm your purchase. Double check the transaction details, fees, and order summary, and confirm to execute the trade. After buying, you can monitor your crypto assets in the Moomoo portfolio. Important notes: availability of cryptocurrencies and trading options may vary by country due to regulatory reasons. Fees and spreads apply. Review them before buying. Crypto on Moomoo might not be withdrawable. It might only be for trading within the app. For detailed, up-to-date instructions or support, check Moomoo's official website or customer support. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. With the link in the description, you can get $50 to start an account with Simply. And if you refer your friends and family, once you've gotten started, you can get $125 per referral and they'll get $50 to start. It is a win-win situation. It's a great deal. Simply Financial is a wonderful bank and comes highly recommended.